Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a slow rotation effect on a photo or static video in the CapCut mobile. So in this case, I'm using a photo as an example. After that, you can just zoom in the photo like this and just add a keyframe to where you want the rotations to start. For example here, and after that go to the end of the clip and then rotate and zoom in the clip or photo at the same time like this. Okay, now you can see another keyframe will be automatically added in here, and you can also add sound effect to make it more dramatic, but this is the result for the slow rotation effect. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.